Okay. Be careful, you're gonna give me a heart attack. Where's your nose? Nose. Where are your eyes? Eyes. Where are your eyebrows?
No.
Can you show me your eyebrows? Can you show me your eyebrows, please? Focus. Can you show me your eyebrows? Oh, no, not yet. Where's your neck? Neck. Where's your chin? Show me your chin. Can you show me your chin?
Mommy.
Where are your hands? Lena. Do you want to sing a song? Hmm? You gonna sing a song? Careful.
All right, what did you want?
Can you sing some more songs? Please be careful. That's not funny. Scaring me. Not funny. Not funny.
That's okay.
He's throwing stinky farts, huh?
Oh, man.
That's funny. Careful. No more. No. That's really dangerous. Let's not do that. Here, let's sing some songs. Sing some songs. Maybe you can sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Oh, you hit your head on my knee. Are you okay? Yeah? Okay, come on, sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Wait, and use your hands. Do you want to use your hands? It hurts? Oh, yeah. Okay, sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Lena, please do not do that. Lena, you're not going to be able to be on the bed anymore then. We're going to get off the bed. Okay. Sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Again, what? Your head? What about your head? You want to do a somersault? Okay. Okay, you have to get on your knees. You remember? So you get on your knees. Yep, yep. And then put your head down. Oops. Here, maybe you can film it. There's only 1 minute left. Not me though. Okay. So get on your knees. Oh. Ski jumper. And then there we go. And then you put your head down. There we go. And then we flip over. Oh, wait, it's 6 minutes, so we have to stop it.
Is there a Zoom?
How many seconds left?
5:36.
When there's like 15.
Okay, there's 15 seconds.
Okay, say
Yeah.
bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Give, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye. No, don't pick your nose.